What if your simple sketch could look like a real oil painting? With Sketch to Image, your S Pen drawing can be transformed instantly. To do so, remove the S Pen to open up the Air Command menu. Tap Drawing Assist. Tap Sketch to Image icon. Inside the provided box, draw something. As the example, let's draw a simple mountain with a sun. Select Oil Painting Effect. Then tap Generate, and wait for the result. When the result appears, tap Download to save it to Gallery. And that's it. From a simple sketch to an oil painting, you can then save it to your gallery. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.